All right, this shows if you're attending an event live, how to get your CEs. So you log into your account and then go to my courses. And if you scroll down, you'll see the rejected conference. You can click on that. Sorry, my computer is going really slow today. You can click here for the rejected conference. That's one option. To get you there, or if you see the specific presentation that you are wanting to do, you can do it that way as well. But the conference page has all of the presentations, listed. So today, just now, we watched Allison's presentation. So you would click on view webinar. And then when you get there, there's the start course button. So it's pretty much, if you're familiar with our courses at all, it's very similar to doing that. And then there's just like the training feedback part. Notice here it says live. So you only do this if you attended the full event live, and then you'll click training feedback. And you can start the quiz. And then as soon as you answer the feedback questions, you'll get your certificate. If you attend something as a recording, I'll have a different video for that, because the recordings, they don't automatically pop up in the system. Our web developer has to add them. So right now I'm just showing you all how, if you're attending events live, you can get your CEs. For the recorded version, it's going to be very similar, but you just make sure you're in the recorded version and you've watched the video and all of that kind of stuff. Does anyone have questions? Is that clear how to get CEs?
I think it's pretty clear.
Okay.
So just one thing. So this way, do we get the CEs immediately if we are doing the live one?
Yep. So for you, you and Madonna, since you all were here for the whole presentation, you could go in the system right now, fill out your feedback form, and get the certificate for Allison's presentation. Each presentation has its own certificate, because we want to make sure, like, some people may not need all the CEs or want to attend events at different, time in the future. So we did a separate, certificate for each event.
Thank you.
Any other questions? All good? Okay.